Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. So today we are drawing letter A, B, C and D, and we will color different drawings. You can see here, so we have these colors. This is orange color, red color, this is yellow color, and this is light green color, red color, this is letter A, letter A. Now we will color red to the apple. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and A is for ant. So we will give it red color. So here it is. Light green color. This is the leaf. So the apple stalk is green, red color. So here it is. Red color. So this is red color ant. So we are drawing letter B. This is letter B with yellow color. Letter B, yellow color. And now we will draw this boat. So it is also yellow color. So we will color it yellow.
Yellow color boat.
Yellow color balloon. Now yellow color banana. I like to drink the banana juice. It is so. Now we will take red color. So the red color cherries. So C is for cherry. C, cherry. Three cherries. It says 3. 1, 2, 3. All are red in color. Sorry, the leaves of the cherries are green in color. So here it is. And this is a red car. The green wheel car with white windows, white light, but the red color car is just here. C is for car. And now C is for cape. C is for cape. C is for cherry, C is for car, C is for cape. So here we have yellow color. D, letter D. D is for duck. Duck. D is for door. Door. And D is for dice. Dice. A beautiful duckling. This is yellow color duckling. And here I will just make the beak orange. Is orange. So D is for duckling. Yellow color door. dice. So D is for dice. For dice. So let us make a revision. A, B, C, D. So here A is for apple. Apple. A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane. A is for ant. Ant. B is for boat. Boat. B is for balloon. Balloon. B is for banana. Banana. C is for cherry. Cherry. C is for car. Car. C is for cape. Cape. D is for duck. Duck. And D is for door. Door. D is for dice. Dice. I hope you learned about these letters and drawings. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.